Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is happening that some people have reported, and apparently it's been going on for a while, so it affected every version of Windows, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, there's two versions of Windows that have been fixed, Windows 10 22H2 and Windows 11 21H2. They've had a fix for this. So if you have used some apps, especially apps that are 32-bit apps. So if you are using an old version of Office, for example, an old version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, which is 32-bit, or any apps that are 32-bit in the way that they're actually going to work and save files, there's a bug that actually sometimes your files don't want to be saved. And what happens is that in Windows 10 and Windows 11 21H2, Microsoft issued the famous rollback, a known issue rollback, which is the famous feature that when something goes wrong, they can issue a fix through the Windows Update, and that actually rolls back the feature so that things come back to normal. Now, for some reason that I ignore, the rollback issue is not used in Windows 11 22H2. And so what's happening is that Windows 11 22H2 is still affected by this bug where saving a file might actually end in a file, not an error message or not being able to save. So what Microsoft says is that a fix is on the way, but until now, until the fix happens, actually, what's going to happen is if you do have that type of error with an app that refuses to save, try 2 or 3 times, it will eventually save. It apparently has a very specific issue. And like I said, it only affects apps that use 32 bits for saving their files. So if you're on a 64-bit version of Office, for example, a modern version, if you're on, use different apps that are 64 bits, that does not affect you. There has been a couple of reports that are saying that it might have happened, or there might be things happening if you've been changing files around in File Explorer, but not enough reports to really point into the direction that that's the case. And Microsoft seems to think that, no, it's really a specific problem for 32-bit apps. So if you are plagued with that in saving files with 32-bit versions of apps that seem not to save, try 2 or 3 times, it will save. Fix is on the way. And like I said, now it affects only Windows 11 22H2. The known rollback issue is applied to 21H2 and is also applied to Windows 10. I have no idea why they're not using the rollback issue on Windows 11 22H2, but anyways, that's Microsoft for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.